Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a review of Barden. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you're new here and you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be taking a look at a product all the way from Canada, and that is Barden. Adam over there has the presentation on lock, and that's, if you missed my unboxing video and first impression, I'll put a card up top. You can get over and check that video out. I'll also put it in the description below, and you can check it out. But we're going to talk about Barden. Now, I purchased a couple different things. I purchased a combo, and he's got combos of oil, balm, butter, and wash. So you can pick up all 4 products in a combo package. I picked up that, and I also picked up just an oil by itself. It has free shipping once you hit a certain amount of money. Alright, so let's talk about these products. So we're going to talk about the oil that I bought individually first, and that is the coffee and maple praline. So first let's talk about these labels. Oil comes in a 1-ounce cobalt blue bottle with a dropper top, and these labels are just clean and they look really good. I like that. So this one is the coffee and maple praline. Ingredients on the oils, I believe they're all the same, is jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and fragrance. And each one of his labels has a little saying, a little kind of paragraph talking about the scent, maybe a sentence, maybe more. A man sat down in a cozy Canadian diner, mug in hand and breakfast laid out before him, and he thought this smelled good. This is coffee and maple praline. Now, if you didn't see my unboxing video, just wait for this. Give it a little shake. Alright, so first off, it is a darker oil. And to me, this is on the medium side. It's not super light, and it's not heavy oil, but it does have that castor oil in there. And to me, it's more of a kind of a medium. It is coffee and sweets praline, and it smells so good. I can tell you, the days that I wore this, the week that I wore this, everybody was like, "What do you have in your beard? What do you have in your beard?" My wife actually thought I cooked breakfast. So this is absolutely amazing. Scent lasted all day, and I'm talking oil only. I don't have any other products in this scent. I don't have a balm, a butter. This was oil only. Scent lasted all day. It hydrated my beard amazing. I know I did a video a while back about using a detangling brush and not really using a comb anymore, but I still carry a comb in my pocket. Everywhere I go, I still carry a comb in my pocket. And usually when I'm testing new products, just to see how they do on my beard, after lunch, I'll usually take and run my comb through my beard. And some products I get just the average tangle, snag, that kind of thing. When I was using Barden products, whether it was just oil or my combo, comb went through like hot butter. It was easy. It was super soft. Conditioned my beard really, really well. So awesome product right there. And if you like the coffee and the kind of the sweeter scent, this is it's so good. I can't even describe it other than amazing. So that's this one. Alright, so the combo that I bought was in tobacco, bourbon, and leather. Now, the little saying on this scent is, a man walked into a humidor in Cuba picking out the perfect cigar while sipping an old-fashioned, and he thought this smelled good. Now, when I did my unboxing, and I was talking to Adam about this, when I did my unboxing, I smell out of bottle, I smell leather. Not anything special, just I smell leather. It smells like other products that I've smelled. And it's not quite of a dark oil, it's still yellow. And again, it's another medium weight oil. Let's talk about the ingredients real quick. Jojoba, sweet almond, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, castor, and fragrance. So the same oils. But then the first day that I used this, we'll just take a couple drops and warm this up. All of that hits you at once. This is a very, very complex scent. I've said it before in many videos. You don't get a true sense of what something smells like in the bottle. You've got to warm it up to really know what that scent's going to smell like in your beard. Now, when you warm this up, you get all three. You get the leather, you get the tobacco, you get the bourbon, and it's a very complex scent in my opinion. If you like those scents, it's perfect. Now, you just saw me. I put 3 drops in my hand. My hands are not shiny. My hands are not greasy. My hands, I couldn't tell I just put anything in my hand. That's how quick it absorbs. It absorbed in my beard just as fast. This stuff is amazing. So, absolutely loved the mixture of carrier oils and everything that Adam has going on over at Barden. It's really good products. The oils are absolutely amazing. So really, really like that. All right, so next let's talk about the beard balm. So it comes in a glass screw top container, which I really like this look. It looks really good. Ingredients on the balm. And again, the balm, you got balm, butter, and a wash, all in the tobacco, bourbon, and leather. So the ingredients on the balm: beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance. So just based on beeswax being number 1, you know there's going to be a little bit of a hold to it. So you can see it's a really white, which I mean you can see it through there, but it's a really white balm, and it's on the medium side on the hold. I really like this. The hold did really well for probably half a day or a little over half a day. Did really good on locking everything in and locking those flyaways in. It's not a firm hold balm, so you're not going to get that all day hold, but it does do really good to lock it down. Now let's talk about the butter. So the butter ingredients: shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, beeswax, and fragrance. And that beeswax comes in last, and again it's the same color, but the consistency of this is smooth and creamy. It's not a whipped butter, but it is really smooth and just emulsifies almost immediately. Really good. Now I wore this a couple times at night. I wore this during the day with the oil, and it did really well with my beard. It really hydrated my beard and helped. Now the butter does give a little bit of control when you wear it with the oil. I just run the butter all in my beard like I would at night, and it does give me a little bit of control on there, and it smells really good too. So I'll tell you that all 3 of these products, the oil, the balm, and the butter, scent was par right across the board. I mean, it was not one smelled stronger than the other. They all smelled really good and complemented each other along the way. So again, I just put a fingernail portion of butter in my hand, and my hands just feel, right now, they just feel really, really hydrated. All right, so last let's talk about the beard wash. So ingredients on this: water, jojoba oil, guar, gum, something I can't read, and fragrance. So the only problem I had with this wash was it was really thin. I shook it and shook it and shook it and shook it, and it was still thin. So I reached out to Adam and I was like, is there a reason that it's thin, or what? What's going on with it? And he let me know that he tried to go thicker with it, but it just did not lather very well, and it didn't make his beard as soft as the thinner wash. So I was like, all right. When I used it repeatedly for a week, it did make my beard softer. In conjunction with these products, my beard was extremely, extremely soft. So easy to get a comb through it. It was just amazing how soft it was. Now, this stuff is thin, but it lathers like crazy. It's not a super stripping wash, but it does wash really good. You can tell your beard is clean, but it doesn't strip it down like a pine tar soap would. And it did really well in cleaning my beard and really getting everything hydrated, helping get everything really clean so I could get those products in and keep everything really good and hydrated. So definitely, if you have not checked out Barden, now's your chance. Get over, check out Barden, and let them know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. He does have free shipping once you hit a certain amount. Now his website is in Canadian dollars, but there is a spot where you can change it to US dollars and you can see prices. So let's talk about prices. So the combo that I picked up, which was the oil, balm, butter, and wash, is $52.71 US dollars. The oil by itself is $16.57 US dollars. That's right there at market average, and I didn't do the math to see how much money you save by doing the combo versus buying everything individually, but I'd be willing to bet that you'd save some money. The other thing is, if you live in the US and you purchase from him, shipping's gonna be crazy. But if you get to a certain amount of money, he does offer free shipping, so you cannot beat that. I will drop link to Barden in the description. You get over, check out Barden. You make a purchase, let him know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. All right, guys, well, that's all we got to talk about today. It went a little long, but we did talk about a lot of products. So make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.